what I thought. Oh. I see.
In southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 11:30 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling and flooding occurring at Brick Hill and Creek at East Greenville. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Pottstown, Phoenixville, Royersford, Trapp, East Greenville, Schweightsville, Green Lane, Gilbertsville, Spring Mount, Shadarville, Putown, and Jerryville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 317 and 318. Northeast extension between mile markers 37 and 44. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The current time is 7:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, tonight, showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms this evening. None showers likely after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds this evening. Locally heavy rainfall possible.
Oh, why is the zone code over here? My charger broke, so I had to get one of the new Apple ones, which are like USB-C or some shit. I forget. But it doesn't work with my old charger, which was super long, so I'd have a whole, like, it's like a 3-prong thing, so I had to, if I wanted to fit it in, I had to get rid of a radio over there, and it was zone guard, so I've now split the WXL39 shelf into two. The WXL39 radio is over here, KIH28 over here. They're slowly invading. WXL39 is not leaving though, I'm keeping that.